Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by partial fractions. So in this situation, I need to put about a over 2x plus 1 and b over x plus 4. Later that, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about x plus 4. So capital A multiplied by x plus 4. About this one, it is missing about 2x plus 1. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x, we have 8 and x, so we have capital A in here. B with 2x, so we have 2b. About the numbers, we have A with number 4, B with number 1. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About x, we have number 1, so A plus 2b equals to number 1. About the numbers, we have 4a plus b equals to negative number 3. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to negative number 1, B equals to positive number 1. And now we put A and B go in here. So A equals to negative number 1, B equals to positive number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s plus 1. Number 2 in here, that is from coefficient of s. So we have 1 divided by coefficient of s, and we have 1 over 2. About this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 4. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So we have the final answer. Now we put number 2 in here, number 2 in here, number 0 in here, and number 0 in here. So this one we have ln number 5, this one we have ln number 6, this one we have ln number 1, this one we have ln number 4. ln number 1 you got 0. So we can write like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.